Fresh leaks from reputable sources Osita LV and Igor Bogdanov have shed light on the upcoming DJI Avata 2 drone, stirring excitement among enthusiasts. These revelations provide an intriguing peek into the potential functionalities and attributes of this eagerly awaited FPV drone, heightening anticipation for its official release. As per Osita LV's insights, the DJI Avata 2 is poised to empower users with the seamless execution of breathtaking aerial stunts. Anticipated to effortlessly perform flips, rolls, and precise 180-degree drift turns at mere button presses, the drone promises a thrilling experience. This prospect gains credence from DJI's recent teaser video, teasing similar impressive aerial maneuvers. Osita LV provided insights into the diverse package offerings for the DJI Avata 2. The options range from a basic standalone unit to two variations of the Fly More combo. The first, Fly More combo, includes a single battery, while the second offers a more extensive package, featuring additional batteries and a convenient shoulder bag. It's worth noting that these package names are provisional translations and could potentially differ from the official designations upon the drone's release. Igor Bogdanov has provided estimated pricing details for the DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 is approximately $410. The DJI Avata 2 kit with one battery is around $823. DJI Avata 2 kit with 3 batteries is roughly $960. These figures offer a glimpse into the potential cost variations depending on the package and battery options you choose. Igor Bogdanov also provided detailed specifications for the DJI Avata 2. The drone boasts a 1 by 1.3-inch image sensor with a wide 155-degree viewing angle and an f-stop 2.8 aperture. It even supports high-quality video recording, offering 4K at 60 frames per second or 2.7K at 120 frames per second in MP4 format, complemented by a D-Log M color mode. The Avata 2 utilizes an O4 video transmission system with a minimal 24 milliseconds transmission delay, ensuring smooth footage capture even at a maximum transmission distance of 13 kilometers. With a battery life of up to 23 minutes, users can expect a swift recharge in approximately 40 minutes using a 65-watt charger. The drone also features a generous 46 GB internal memory capacity. In terms of performance, it achieves a top speed of 16 meters per second, approximately 36 miles per hour in sport mode, and an impressive 27 meters per second, about 60 miles per hour in manual mode, promising dynamic and versatile flight experiences. The revealed specifications hint at the DJI Avata 2's potential to deliver cutting-edge imaging prowess, seamless video transmission, and prolonged flight duration. Its imminent arrival promises a thrilling advancement in the realm of FPV drones. Boasting user-friendly aerial stunts, versatile package selections, and remarkable technical attributes, the Avata 2 appears primed to captivate a broad spectrum of drone enthusiasts, regardless of their expertise levels. As anticipation builds for its slated unveiling on April 11th, these leaked insights offer an enticing glimpse into DJI's innovative contributions to the drone landscape. Moreover, Igor Bogdanov has shared key details about the DJI Goggles 3, revealing an array of impressive features. With a 2-hour operational lifespan and a remarkably fast charging time of approximately 20 minutes, these goggles ensure extended usage without prolonged downtime. They offer flexibility in vision adjustment, accommodating diopter settings from -6.0D to +2.0D, catering to a wide range of users' visual needs. Providing real-time image display and Wi-Fi sharing capabilities, the goggles deliver an immersive and interactive experience. Moreover, with a viewing angle of 44 degrees, users can expect a wide and encompassing field of vision, enhancing the overall viewing experience. These revelations suggest that the DJI Goggles 3 are poised to elevate the immersive experience of drone enthusiasts and FPV pilots alike. Thanks for watching.